Taiy Laser Technology Company Limited was founded in 2016 and located in the world manufacturing city of Dongguan, China. It is a technology comprehensive laser machinery and equipment manufacturer in laser industry, specializing on the teaching, researching, development, production, and sales. Our products include laser marking machine, laser welding machine, laser cutting machine, laser cleaning machine, and automation equipment, more than 100 types. Our after-service network has already covered more than 100 countries. We provide laser processing analysis and laser application solutions for customers in different industries, making laser technology and the manufacturing process of all industries achieve seamless joint. And with China Optical Valley, Huazhong University of Science and Technology, to establish a good long-term strategic partnership. Adhere to provide customers with high precision, high quality, and cost-effective products. Our machines are widely used in IT manufacturing, electronics, hardware, metal sheet, jewelry industries, and so on. Equipment from R&D design, assembly, and debugging are all through strict tempering, strict production process, and quality control. Precise assembly monitoring equipment, such as laser interferometer, collimator, percentile meter, micrometer, marble level inspection platform, are powerful guarantees of high-quality equipment. As soon as the products are put into the market, they will be spoken highly of by customers at home and abroad. Once our products are put into the market, they will be spoken highly of by customers at home and abroad.